Never seen a bird with CEO energy. This short-tailed eagle went viral for its human-like poses. Hands on hips,